Behind me is the Maitahi or Mahitahi River. It runs from the hills behind Nelson down to the sea, and it's an especially important river for the iwi of Te Tauihu. It's also important for the people of Nelson in general because it's our drinking water supply, it runs through our city, and its valley is a very important and beautiful and treasured recreation area for the people of the region. Project Mahitahi is about the ecological restoration of that valley, particularly focused on pest, plant and animal control, Indigenous wetland restoration and Indigenous plantings. It started out life as a COVID-19 recovery shovel-ready project to respond to the expected economic downturn and job losses associated with COVID-19. And it's now a Kotahitanga Mo Te Taio Alliance project, which means that it's co-governed, co-managed and co-delivered by partners of the Alliance. In particular, that's Nelson City Council, Ngāti Koata, Te Atiawa, Ngāti Rārua and the Department of Conservation. One of the reasons this project is so important to Nelson City Council is because of the opportunity that it provides to generate new jobs for people in the Nelson region. And so we have people who have been unemployed or underemployed as a result of COVID-19, and they're able to come into these roles and receive training. It's a long-term 2 to 5 years project, and at the end of it we'll have an ecological restoration workforce who can work on many of the other ecological restoration projects that are happening around the region.
So pretty much we come in each day and come into a site like this. We'll kind of go in, get rid of all the plants that aren't really meant to be there, get them off the natives that are meant to be there, make everything look nice and tidy and ready for us to plant more plants or just, keep preserving what's already there.
So the pest plants, the weeds, old man's beard is probably the main one we have to deal with in here. Blackberry is quite bad, a bit of gorse and broom. And then there's kind of the bigger tree species, so barberry, hawthorn, sycamore and things like that. Personally, I really enjoy the plantings, being able to drive up and seeing the little plantings on the side of the road and then seeing those over the years develop and grow into full plants. And then iwi projects, we're working on a project up Charlins Creek for Ngāti Koata. They're putting in a pāhara kiki site, which is pretty cool. So it's going to be flax harvesting for them eventually once it matures.
It's creating a positive future. I'm big into creating the world that you want to live in and big on the environment instead of just talking about it, doing something about it, and also inspiring other people to get involved, not just in the environment but being involved in their community and the people around, and that's what it's all about, people and the environment for me. Yeah.
And it's really great to see the benefit that those investments are providing to unemployed, to communities, to iwi and to nature. I think one of the great things about this project is the collaborative approach that's been taken by iwi, council and community members to serve a common goal of restoring the places where people live.
Ngāti Koata and Nelson City Council, along with our partners, have sat down and decided which areas to focus restoration on. Through this project, we're going to restore this through planting and weed management. There's also going to be a raft of different pest control management techniques used within the Koata lands because we've got issues with deer, goats, pigs, possums, that sort of thing. It is really exciting. There's been a lot of buy-in through heaps of organisations, but particularly for the community. The Maitai Awa is significant to all Te Tauihu iwi, but it is also really significant for Pakeha within the Whakatū region as well. It's the river that we all swim in the summer, we recreate around, so this whole project has had a lot of buy-in from a lot of different people, and it's really exciting to see how keen everyone is to help restore this area.